always coming, it seemed to be ending up on my desk. So immediately I get on MakerWorld and I'm looking through all the files that maybe I can print on one of my 3D printers and have on my desk. There are so many different files for trash cans on MakerWorld, some that clamp to the side of your desk, some that fit in different areas. Anyway, I couldn't decide. So I decided that I would make my own. They seemed easy enough. I thought maybe I would use Tinkercad and just make some sort of really basic trash can, but I ended up on MakerWorld in Maker Lab using the vase feature to make a square or rectangular shaped trash can. I even took an SVG of my logo inside of Bambu Studio and applied it to the outside of the trash can. It just finished up. It took about 4.5 hours. I used some basic PLA. It was a gray Sunlu PLA. So let's take a look at it, see how it came out. Here we go. Move my camera up a little bit, and here we go. And so, as you can see here, it came out pretty good. There are a few little defects here and there. There's some stringing, nothing a light touch of a torch won't cure. It's nice and heavy. I like it. I think it came out really well. There's a few defects here. There's a seam here. I think it's going to work really well. Well, if you like seeing things like this, prints like this, I hope that you'll like and subscribe so that you'll be able to see some of the other things that I'm going to be printing in the future. Thanks a lot.